It is Christmas Eve 2023. The time is 13:10 hours Pacific Standard Time, and I will be doing a San Francisco hill climb on Hyde Street with my REVV1. I will initiate the left turn, and after I initiate the left turn, it will put me on Hyde Street, and the first hill I will encounter has a 1.5 to 1.7% hill grade, and the range of the hills in this video is 1.5% to about 2.9 or 3.0%. The information I got, I put at the end of this video, and the hill number you want to look at is hill number 8, and it shows the percentage grade. So I use that information to get an estimate of the hill grade percentage of the hills that I will be attacking in this segment. After I initiate this left turn, my first hill is going to be around 1.5 to 1.7%. And as I get to the next hill and the next hill and to the very top, the percentage grade gets steeper and steeper. I'm estimating the percentage grade of this hill coming up to be around 1% grade. And I am using my legs and throttle. I am not using any PAS, and my REV1 is factory set to class 2. And so far, we are both doing a great job attacking these hills. Now, this coming hill in this video here is around 2.8 to 2.9%, I'm guessing. Let's say 2.7% just to be conservative. But it is a tough hill to climb. I'm doing a combination of standing up and sitting down as I pedal. But the REV1 is doing great, and my legs are doing great, and this hill is really no problem for both of us. Now the final hill is going to be at about 3.0% grade. This is the steepest hill in this segment, and the REV1 and I are attacking it and not having any problems whatsoever. I was hoping I could do a switchback so you could see the travel path and get an idea of the steepness of these hills, but due to traffic, I won't be able to. This is a busy area because to my left is the entrance to Lombard Street, the crookedest street in the world. So I have no way of making a U-turn to show you the steepness of the hills. And the hill that I measured against is number 8, Filbert between Hyde and Leavenworth. I'm so happy knowing that the REV1 and I can conquer any of the hills in San Francisco, California.